Hi friends, in this video we will cover sets, that how can we use the sets in Python. So let's start. Number one, sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Number two, a set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable and unindexed. There is a no index used, and also we cannot change the values in sets. So these are the unchangeable. So there is a first, how we will learn that how can we create sets. So first of all, I have created there a variable. After that, always keep in mind that the sets start with the curly brackets. These are the brackets. These brackets shows that this is a set. So here you can see there are three values stored in the set. So if I print it, see the value have been printed. So if I check the data type, that which data type is used there. So here I am checking type and this. So if I run it, see the data type is set. It means that this is set. So now multiple values, you can store the multiple values in a set. Here I have stored these values. First string, integer, boolean, once again integer, and this is string. If I make it float, then I can see here. So if I run it, see once again all the values have been printed. Now duplicates not allowed. Set cannot have two items with the same value. So how? I have created this variable equals to, I have given these values in this set. First apple, banana, cherry, apple. Once again, it means that there are two apples in this set, but we cannot use the duplicate values in this set. Here are two values are duplicates, one apple, second apple. So if I run it, only one value will be printed. Second duplicate will not be printed. It means that whenever you are using duplicates, so that duplicate values cannot be printed. Just one time that value will be printed. Unchangeable. Set items are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change the items after the set has been created. Once you create a set, after that you cannot change the values of that. How? I have created this set, and if I going to change the value of apple, it means that instead of apple I'm going to change with mango. So if I run it, see there is an error because it means that the sets cannot be changed. Now type. So here I'm checking the type. See the set. The set constructor. It is also possible to use the set function constructor to make a set. It means that before it was a tuple. If I make it set, so just I will have to write their set. This is set I have given there only, and this is a variable equals to set, then tuple. If I print this, then I will get the values. But if I try to know about the set, that is this set or tuple. So this here, see type now, and this set. So if I run, see the output has been printed. So just like this, you can check the data type of anything, and now it has been converted into set. Access set items. Here this is a for loop. I haven't taught you right now, but in further videos I will teach you well. So this is a set. So now I am going to print it, that for x in this set, x is a new variable here. So for accessing this set, I have created a variable in this set and print x. So if I run it, it will be printed at the next line step by step. Second example, this set, and I have initialized these values in the set. Now I am going to check that banana is available in that set or not. So if I run it, you can see true. But if I copy it and give another value instead of banana, just like dog. So if I run it, see, false, because dog is not available in that sets. That's why I'm getting the false output. Add items. Add an item to a set using the add method. If you are going to add any other value in the set, then you will use add function. So here, this is my set, and the value of set is apple, banana, cherry. So I am going to add orange in that set. So how will I do? First, I have to write the name of set, means this set dot add. You have to use this function for adding extra value in the set. Okay, if I run it, see, apple, orange, banana, cherry. Because this is unordered, so it may be occupy any place here in the set. So if I run again, see, just like this. So this is another example. You can see both are same. It means that you can add easily. Now add sets. To add items from another set into the current set, use the update method. It means that I'm going to add a value from the another set. So here are two sets. One set is this, second set is this one. So they have different values. Now I'm going to update them. It means that add them. So I will write the first name of set, this set. I have written there, this set. Then dot update. After that, in the brackets, I will write this name of the set. So if I run it, see, the values have been printed. So the all values have been added each other. So see, pineapple, papaya, mango, banana, apple, cherry, these values. But here if you see, there are two sets different. So like this you can add two values each other from the different sets. Add any iterable. The object in the update method does not have to be a set. It can be any iterable object, tuple, list, dictionary, etc. So add element of a list to add set. So you can combine anything just like a tuples, list and dictionary with the set. So this is an example of that thing. So here the first is set, second is list. So I'm going to add the values each other. So if I run it, see, the values have been printed because kiwi and orange, these are the values of list, and these are the apple, banana, cherry, these are values of a set. So now if you see here, these have been added each other. Now these are the set inbuilt function of the set to remove elements from the set. So there are 4 elements: remove, discard, pop, clear and remove. See here, remove banana by using the remove method. I am going to remove this one from the list. So just I have to write the variable here, the name of set, then dot remove. This is the function. So I will pass the arguments. Now I am going to remove banana from the list. So if I run it, see, the banana has been removed from the list. Second example with the discard. Same thing. These are the values. Now I am going to remove banana from the set. So now with the help of discard, I will remove that. See, now a banana has been removed. Now remove the last item by using the pop method. So here, see, if I run it, the last item will be removed because which is the last? This one. It will remove first or last, any that can be removed by head. So this apple is this one, X. So that's why this apple has been removed from the list. Now this set, these are the values of set, and now I'm going to clear the list. So if I run it, see, the set has been cleared. So there is no value in the set right now. Del function, the entire set will be deleted. So if I run, see, it means that all the set has been deleted right now. That's why I am getting the error. So hey, here this is a set. So now I'm going to delete all the set with the help of del function. So with this way you can delete anything. You can delete a dictionary, tuple, and also list with the del function. Now join two sets. There are several ways to join two or more sets in Python. You can use the union method that returns a new set containing all items from both sets, or the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. The union method returns a new set with all items from both sets. So here this is a set 1, in the values are ABC, and second set 1 2 3. So now this is a third variable where I'm going to store the values, these, and first set dot union, I'm going to a union in the set and set 2. If I print it, see here the values, these values comes in the center of set 1. So with just like this you can just practice, then you will understand. Now this update methods inserts the items in set 2 into set 1. So now this is a set 1 and there are values of set 1 and these are the values of set 2. So set 1 dot update set 2. So I will print set 1. So if I run, see, same as it was before. So the values of set 2 came into set 1. So just like this, set 1 is this and set 2 is this till this one. So these are the values of set 1. Keep only the duplicates. The intersection update method will keep only the items that are present in the both sets. It means that if there is a value in both sets, that we can take that value with the help of intersection. So here are two sets and I'm going to intersection the sets. X dot intersection slash X dot intersection update Y. So X is set and Y is set. So if I run apple, because apple is duplicate, apple is one in the set 1 and apple is in the set 2. That's why I am getting apple. Keep all but not the duplicate. The symmetric difference update method will keep only the elements that are not present in the both tables. Keep the items that are not present in both tables. We will take those elements which are not present in both tables. So see, X is set, Y is set. So here X dot symmetric difference update Y and print X. If I run it, see, these are values are not available in the both sets. It means that sets have different values. Second example, there are also two sets. These are now z equals to x dot symmetric difference is y. If I run it, same output will be here. Now return a set that contain the items that only exist in the set x and not in sets y. So here these are the two sets here, and y is a set, x is a set. So here z equals to x dot difference y. If I run it, you can see the banana and cherry. Set is subset method. Return true if all items in a set x are present in set y. So here x set has a values a, b, c. Set y has values f, e, d, c, b, a. So z equals to x dot is subset y. If I print, so see the values have been printed true, because these values and these values there is a which is available in the set x. That's why I'm getting true. Same code, if I run it, false, because the x values are not available in the y values, because there is a difference. This is C capital, this is not capital, so that's why it's a difference of letters. But instead of this one, if I give there J H, then I will get the answer same. You can see set is disjoint method. So there are two sets, one set x and y is other set. So here if I run it, before run it, I will let you know the z is equal to x dot is a disjoint y. So print z. If I run it, see the true, because true, it means that the x values are not available in the y values. That's why I'm getting true. So here, what if number items are present in both sets? Return false. If one or more items are present in both sets, so see x equals to this is set of x and this is set of y. So they have a different values. So now if I z equals to x dot is disjoint y, if I run it, I will get the false. You can see, because apple is available in the set of y. That's why I'm getting. If I remove apple, just like here, if I write another, just like gg, then if I run it, I will get true, because they have different values right now. So if I get the values of x into y set, after then I will get the false. So now x has a different value and y has a different value. That's why I'm getting a true. So guys, this lecture was about this sets, and now I have taught you everything about the sets. I hope so you will understand all the things and practice. I will provide programs of sets in the description. Just follow them. If you have any question, then you can contact me. So thanks for watching, guys.